Yes, we own 2 self-running factories with more than 30 sets of CNC machining centers, 1 sheet metal factory, and 1 injection molding factory. We have an advanced new factory site with 3,000 square meters, with full facilities to manufacture high-quality products. Besides, we have abundant supply chain for other manufacturing processes like 3D printing, vacuum casting, and aluminum extrusion. Moreover, we have built a very strong partnership with different surface finishing suppliers. We have provided professional manufacturing services for more than 10,000 projects for customers from over 50 countries all around the world, mainly from the US and Europe. In RapidDirect, our experienced sales engineers are here to support your projects with fast response, short lead time, and high-quality parts.